Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor 2026 how to merge bodies. So I will create new file and you can click start to diskette. I will choose top plans and you can draw rectangle for the first bodies. Use extrude tools to convert into 3D. The next I will create the second bodies. Okay, click start to diskette again and I will choose this plan. The next, we create a rectangle at this point, finish cut, and then use extrude again to convert into 3D. But in here, you can click at these icons to create new solids, and you can move to the top a bit, click OK again. Now, if you want to combine these two bodies, solid 1 and solid 2, we can use the combine tools. Click this icon, combine, and then for the base body, I will select this body. Tools body, you can select this body. Click OK to merge between these two bodies. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorial how to merge bodies. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.